It's Saturday, January 10th, 2026, and you're listening to Blue Lightning Daily. I'm Hunter.
And I'm Riley. And yes, this entire episode was cranked out by robots. Like, the words, the edit, the whole thing. If it glitches, that's not a bug, that's just our AI cast doing improv.
Today's main character is Lightricks, who just open-sourced LTX-2, and this is a very specific kind of spicy because it generates video with native synchronized audio. Like the clip actually plays as a piece of media, not a silent GIF you have to emotionally support with 12 other apps.
This is huge for creators, because silent AI video is basically the "I'll fix it in post" of the AI era. And post is you at 1 a.m. faking ambiance with a coffee shop loop you stole from your own hard drive.
Exactly. The real win isn't just that it makes sound, it's that the sound is time-locked to the visuals, so your first draft is closer to scene than moving pixels with vibes.
Okay, but say it with your chest, Hunter. What's the first thing creators stop doing?
Lying about temp audio.
Thank you.
You know the move. You send a draft and you're like, the music is placeholder, and the client is like, no, it's not. That's the best part. Ship it.
Or my favorite, ignore the robotic voiceover, it's just to get timing. And then the stakeholder goes, love the voice. Very futuristic hostage situation.
LTX-2 at least gives you a starting point where music, ambience, and sound effects can be baked in. For pitch comps, previs, concept ads, even quick social variants, you get something that lands emotionally faster.
Yeah, like if you're doing a trailer-style concept, audio is half the persuasion. Without it, it's just expensive interpretive dance.
And the other big headline, open weights plus local first. That combo is a signal. It's not just try our demo. It's here are the parts, build your pipeline. They've got inference tooling, and they're publishing trainer code and LoRa training support.
Which is what creators actually want. Not another carnival ride web app where you get 3 spins and then it asks for your credit card and your firstborn.
Running locally also means privacy and predictable costs. If you're an agency with client work or a brand team that can't upload unreleased product shots into a cloud tool, this is a real door opening.
Okay, but local first comes with the trade. You're not just a creator now. You're a creator and a part-time IT goblin.
That's the thing. Local does not mean effortless. You need a decent NVIDIA RTX class GPU. You might juggle quantized variants. You're going to troubleshoot installs, drivers, dependencies, all that.
Becoming your own tiny miserable MLOps team, but with better taste in fonts.
Exactly. Control costs time. But for some teams, that's worth it, especially if you're building a repeatable workflow, not just generating a one-off.
Also, open weights means the community is going to go feral in the best way. Like, you know people are already training LRIs for cinematic sneaker ad but make it crunchy, and anime kitchen horror ambience, and brand voice but legally distinct.
That brings up a very real problem. Style and IP drift. Open models make it easier to accidentally or intentionally fine-tune into something that gets messy.
The least chaotic way to handle that is boring, and I hate that, but it's true. Teams need a style guide for AI. Like actual guardrails.
Yep, practical version. You keep approved LRIs in an internal library, you name them clearly, you document what training data went in, and you version them like software. And you do reviews, same way you'd approve brand templates.
And if you're a solo creator, your version of that is at least having a house pack. Like, these are my go-to LRIs, these are my safe prompts, this is my sound identity. Otherwise, you wake up and your whole channel looks like 3 different people possessed your timeline.
Let's talk about the audio quality expectations, because people hear native dialogue and immediately assume it's going to do perfect lip sync, clean speech, and Hollywood sound design.
Hold up. Are we still in uncanny podcast from a haunted vending machine territory?
Sometimes, yes. Audio generation is hard, matching it to visuals is harder. Expect it to be strongest when the scene is straightforward, like clear actions, obvious environments, simple rhythm. The more complex you go, the more you'll hear artifacts.
So like, it might crush rainy city street, but struggle with crowded nightclub argument while a dragon flies overhead.
Exactly. And LTX-2 is also very much a short clip unit. You're stitching shots together for longer sequences. That's still the reality of high-quality generative video right now.
Which honestly is how real editing works anyway. Shots, not feature films, so I'm not mad at that.
The workflow impact is where this gets interesting. If you can generate a clip that already includes a rough mix, your bottleneck shifts. You spend less time doing audio glue work and more time choosing the best creative direction.
That's such a healthier problem. Like, which of these 10 versions is the vibe instead of, why is my whoosh sound late by 12 frames?
But there's a potential client-side trap. If AI drafts feel more finished, clients will treat drafts as finals.
Oh my God, yes. The minute it has music, they think it's done. They're like, can we just post it?
Creators have to set expectations. Tell clients, this is a comp, the audio is a mood pass. the final still needs human polish, licensing decisions, and brand-safe messaging.
And timing, like, even if the AI gives you sound, you might still redo the mix so it hits properly for TikTok, YouTube, or paid social. Different loudness targets, different pacing, different attention spans.
This also fits into what we've been seeing all week. Tools are getting more workflow complete. Adobe's prompt to edit in Firefly is about targeted fixes without recutting. Firefly pulling in Runway Gen 4.5 is about multi-model workflows inside the tools people already use. LTX-2 is another angle on the same trend. Stop making creators do 6 handoffs just to get to a usable draft.
It's like the industry finally realized the killer feature isn't higher resolution, it's less suffering.
Speaking of suffering, can we do a quick lap around the rest of the ecosystem this week? Because CES is happening and it's deeply unwell.
Yes, CES 2026 is giving Black Mirror, but sponsored. We have hologram companions that do emotional syncing by scanning your facial expressions.
Which sounds cute until you realize it's basically always-on vibe surveillance.
Like, I don't need a life-size digital twin watching me spiral and then upselling me a premium subscription because I frown near my email inbox.
And then there's the AI lollipop, the one that uses bone conduction and analyzes your pasocking patterns to adjust volume and playlists.
I hate that sentence. I hate that it exists. Also, creators are absolutely going to use it for a bit. I taste test the algorithm, and then it's just you hearing K-pop through your skull.
Plus dancing robot dogs folding laundry, and smart Lego that suggests builds.
Smart Lego is the one that makes me weirdly sad. Like, let kids build cursed little brick goblins in peace without autocomplete whispering, "Have you considered a monetizable castle?"
And the sassy AI fridge that nags you about expiring milk.
I saw a clip where it basically scolded someone like a disappointed camp counselor. "I'm sorry, my fridge does not get to have a personality until it starts paying rent."
All of that chaos actually makes LTX-2 feel refreshingly creator practical. It's not AI that lives in your candy, it's AI that reduces production friction, especially around audio, which is historically the biggest time sink for making drafts feel real.
Totally. And because it's open and local, it's also kind of a power move for creators who want ownership. Like, not just access, ownership.
So the pragmatic takeaway, if you're a solo creator on a laptop, this might be more watch the space than install tonight. If you've got an RTX workstation, or you're on a team that needs privacy and repeatability, this is worth a real test.
And if you're a marketer, the immediate use case is variant generation that already includes rough sound. That means faster testing. Not perfect, but playable.
All right, that's the show. Thanks for hanging with us while the robots continue their beautiful experiment in public.
Subscribe if you want more creator-first AI news without the motivational poster energy.
And hit up bluelightningtv.com for the updates.
Catch you next time, unless the AI fridge gets to us first.